Here we go again. Hey you guys, it's Steph and welcome back to my channel. So as some of you may know if you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and pretty much everywhere because I kind of haven't shut up about it over the past few weeks, I've somehow managed to yet again blag my way through to the final 20 of the NYX Face Awards. I was in the final 5 last year, don't ask me how, I don't know, but I've made it to the final 20 again this year. And I've just opened the door to the biggest box from NYX Professional Makeup. So if you guys don't know essentially what Face Awards is it's a makeup competition, a bunch of people enter, they choose a final 20. You'll then set a challenge and those 20 people have to come up with some kind of makeup look. It's not just like standard makeup, it's also special effects and things like that. It then goes down to the final 10, which I think is determined by the judges, and then you get another round, same sort of thing, and then it goes down to the public vote, which is where you guys come in if I manage to make my way to the final 10. And then the final 5, which like I said is where I got to last year. You go up to London, you film with NYX for a few days. They then make these super fancy videos which get put on display at the final, and then a bunch of judges choose the winner. So to help all the finalists with their looks, NYX have very, very kindly sent me and the other 19 finalists a big ass box of makeup. Oh my god, I have not been to the gym in a while. Like, can we appreciate the size of this box? I don't even think it's like registering on camera, but it says, "Congratulations, Steph, you're in the final 20. And now I'm going to put this down because it's hurting my arms. So yeah, today I thought I could plonk myself in front of my camera and unbox everything with you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, how am I even going to do this? Okay, so let's open this up first. Look. Congratulations, Steph. Thanks, guys. All right, let's see if I can... Ooh. So this says, congratulations, you're in the top 20. Oh yeah. And it says the next round is Animal Kingdom Glam. I have a few ideas up my sleeve. I'm not gonna put out any spoilers yet, but let's just say that the next round could be interesting. So they've then just put out some of the rules, and then we also have a face chart. So I'm gonna have to fill that out. Let's open this together. Bubble wrap. You know what I always wanted? A box just full of bubble wrap. Oh my god, I actually want to cry. Oh my god, there's more underneath. Okay, I'm gonna need to put this down and we're gonna need to go through this. Oh, NYX, you're the best. So the first thing we have are a ton of different lashes. So these are the Wicked lashes. I had some of these last year, but these look like different styles. Like some of these look so nice. We've then got these super, super wispy ones, which I love the look of. These, oh my god, these are intense. These are a lot more intense. Oh my god. I'll try and do as many close-ups as I can of these, but these are in the style 16. These are in the overdone style. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of these guys for the next round. And then these are just really nice lashes for like every day. I don't even know where I'm going to put all this. So next is a palette that I'm sure a lot of you guys know that I love. This is actually like my favorite palette for bright colors. It's the Ultimate Brights palette. And like I said, I love this so much. I actually have 3 of these. I have 3. That's how much I like it. So I'm sure this will find its way into a giveaway or something at some point. But definitely, judging by some of these colors and judging by the look I have planned, I'm also going to be using this in my next look. Stay tuned. I then have a bunch of the, I think these are called like faux whites. Yeah, the faux whites liners, which I haven't actually tried. So these are all just kind of like off-white colors almost. We've got like pastel-y blues, pastel-y greens. Again, think I'm going to be using these for some of my looks. I want to swatch one of these. Let's try the green one. NYX liners are so good. Ooh, that's really nice actually. That is super creamy. They've also given me a pack of the Begone Wipes. Now, I know wipes may not seem very interesting to you guys, but we don't stock these in my local Boots. These are hardcore. Like, if you want to get something off your face, these get them off. Like, last year when I had a pack of these, I rationed them out for so long because these take stuff off. Like, I could have really have done with using these when I did my full body paint. These are definitely going to be coming in handy. I then have 3 of the Slip Teas. What are you? Full color lip oil. Oh, okay, let's see. Ooh, that is, oh my god, that's the weirdest thing in the world. So that literally does feel like an oil, but these are super pigmented. That's actually a pretty spot on colour for what I've got on my lips right now. So they sent over like a brownie nude colour, a bright pink, and then this really nice red. That would look so, so nice just in like the centre of a lip. Oh no, they've also sent over another one. This one here is in the shade Koi. That is a really pretty shade. It's kind of like a mauvey pink. They've also very kindly sent over some of their Sfx Cream Colors. So I used these in my final look last year, and I also used a few of these in my entry look this year. So these are so good. These are literally like so pigmented. If you use them with like an oil, then they really do go a long way. Got like a bunch of different colors: pink, purple, green, yellow, red, orange, like pretty much everything I could need. Again, I think these are definitely going to be coming in handy for this look. I'll give you guys a little hint. Probably going to need the yellow. Yeah, probably going to need the yellow and the reds and the brown. Let me know if you have any idea what I could be turning myself into this year. So it's Animal Kingdom, and I'm going to be using these colors. That's all you guys are getting. I then have, oh, this is new as well, the Pigment Primer. I have some of their loose pigments, and I'm guessing this is kind of like their glitter primer, but for the pigments. Let me see. Hang on, I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but that actually kind of filled in my pores. So that's kind of like an eye primer almost. It's got like a little bit of tack to it, so I guess the pigments will stick to it. Nice! I've then got so many of these. What are these? The lid lingerie. So if you guys don't know, the lip lingeries are some of my favorite liquid lipsticks, especially because they are all nudes. But these are the lid lingeries. Come to mama. They've literally sent me so many of these. Like, let me just show you. Like, look at how many of these they sent over. And they're all just like a bunch of nudes. I kind of want to try this like khaki color. This one is in the shade Lidley. Lidley. Oh, I get it. It's not in the shade Lidley. Lidley stands for lid lingerie. That makes sense. This one is actually in the shade Oh So Fine. Ooh. Then I recognize this. They've sent over a ton of the micro brow pencils, which are my favorite brow pencils of all time. I always get questions from you guys about what my favorite like drugstore eyebrow pencils are. And it's always these, so I am buzzing to have more. Oh my god. This is literally one of my new favorite palettes. So I actually tried this for, I think it was maybe like the second time when I did my last look. This is insane. It's the Born to Glow highlighting palette. This color, oh my god, like this highlighter. These are beautiful. I think they also do them in singles. And obviously I won't swatch this because like I said, I do have my own, so I wonder who this could be going to. But it's amazing. Like, this is honestly such a good palette. If you guys have like a counter near you or anything, swatch it. You will fall in love. It's ridiculous. Yes! Oh my god, I ran this guy into the ground doing my last look. So this is the Epic Ink liner. And I only have one of them, but it's like my favorite liner ever. It's like a way more affordable version of Kat Von D Trooper, but it's just as good. It's such a good liner. Again, if you guys haven't tried it, definitely recommend it. But yeah, I used the crap out of this in my last look. And I didn't have one for my own face, so now I do. They've also sent over the Special Effects Loose Setting Powder, which again, I used last year. This is so good at setting these guys down because it doesn't look ashy over them or anything like that. I've then got a bunch of the 3 Steps to Sculpt contouring kits, which again, I freaking love. I've literally like used one of these to death. I think it's the light one. Yeah, this one here, that looks like it's my color. Ooh, I don't think I have this one, but the highlighter in that looks banging. This is the fair one. Okay, we're going to need to swatch that. So basically, as you can see, you've got a contouring powder, which looks like a pretty good color for me as well, actually. And then you also have a matte highlighting powder or setting powder, whatever you want to use it for. But this highlighter looks so good. Yes, NYX have been killing it with their highlighters recently. Like, look at that. Bada bing, bada boom. When it catches the light, it's like, where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, how you doing? I've arrived. And then obviously you've also got a medium kit and then you have a deep kit as well. So that's fab. So then we've got some palettes. We've got the Perfect Filter palettes, which again, I have way too much makeup, I know. But these are the Perfect Filter palettes. This one is in Gloomy Days. We also have the Golden Hour palette, which I recently took away with me. This is such a good, like, everyday palette. You've got some mattes and shimmers in there. We've then got, wait, do I have this one? Marine Layer. I'm not sure if I do. Do I? You guys probably know better than me, but this has some stunning blues. You guys know I love blue eyeshadow. We've also got the Olive palette, so a bunch of different greens. Is this like, it's kind of like almost like a dirty gold. I don't know what that color is, but that looks really pretty. Let me know if you guys want any looks featuring any of these palettes. And then we also have, oh yes, another one of my faves, the Rustic Antique palette. Warm tones. You know I love it. Oh my god, they've also sent over a ton of brushes. I flippin' love NYX brushes, so I think there's some here that I don't have. We've got like a little kabuki brush, foundation brush, a little kind of like bronzer brush. Ooh, this one looks nice. It's like a little contouring brush. Oh my god, this is like one of my favorite brushes from NYX. This like massive fan brush. We just shape it out a little bit. This, for sculpting out your contour, so friggin' good because it's just like, it's bloody perfect. It's bloody perfect. Hiding in there, we also have the NYX Worth the Hype mascara, which I recently tried in a first impressions video, and I flippin' love this stuff. I've actually got it on right now. Believe it or not, I've actually got Poundland lashes on with the NYX mascara, and I'm digging the combo, I've got to say, so I love that. We then have another product that you guys may recognize, again, from the same Full Face of First Impressions. This is their new cream contouring kit. I love their powder contour, and I flippin' love this cream contour as well. And I don't know if you guys can see, I don't want to like blind you with the lights here, but you can also pop these out, buy them individually. So if you use like, I don't know, say for example, this color more than anything else, you don't have to go out and buy a new palette. You can just refill it. Oh my god, I can see something very exciting. So then, I'm not sure if these are actually new or not, but NYX recently brought out a bunch of new shades for their soft matte lip creams, which look pretty much like this. I featured all the new ones in an Instagram story. They were all nude shades. I think it's like 10 or 11 shades that they brought out or something like that. Maybe it's 12, but they're all nude, so you know I'm loving that. But let me know if you want like a full swatching video or anything. So what we have here, these are soft matte metallic lip creams. Now, I hadn't heard of these before. Let me get like a super fun color. Let's get like this purple one or something. This is in the shade Havana. Oh, that's nice. That's like a metallic liquid lipstick that I can get on board with. Because normally I find that metallic liquid lipsticks, they are so metallic that it's like, I can't wear that. Where am I going to go to wear like a bright copper metallic lipstick? But this, it's got like a nice shine to it. It's not too intense. And oh my god, the smell of soft matte lip creams, you guys. Again, even if you don't go and buy one, just go and sniff them. Just go and give them a good old sniff. They smell so good. It's like birthday cake or something. But yeah, we've got like a bunch of different colors, like some pinks, some reds, purples. We've got some more like kind of nudie pink colors. I swear NYX are coming out with new products like every 5 seconds because I'd never heard of this. I'd never heard of the matte lid things. I've then got 2 bits from Redken. So I think they actually work with NYX on the Face Awards final or something like that. So we've got the Heat Restyling Thermal Smoothing Blow Dry Lotion. Fab, definitely need that. My hair is like super fried. And then what is this? Shine 02 Glistening Mist. Oh my god, what? I know I'm probably like getting high off the fumes of like lipsticks and whatever the hell this is, but that kind of smells like I could eat it. That's dangerous. This never bloody ends. Oh my god, yes, I needed more of these. So then I've got a bunch of their glitters. I think they're all glitters. Yeah, so we've got some of their loose glitters, which are the best. If you guys need a loose glitter on the drugstore, these are like the best to go for because they have so many colors. But this looks like super iridescent almost. That's like, not iridescent, like holographic. What else do we have? Oh my god, this blue. Again, it's just blues. They just do it for me. It's like a kind of like navy blue. Got like a bronze color, a pink. Ooh, this looks nice. This is number 7 in the shade Ice. Yeah, their glitters are sick. Use it with their glitter primer and they just do not budge. They've also sent over 3 of their duochromatic illuminating powders, which again, I have. And again, these are stunning. And then right at the bottom, I have this mystery box that's still very heavy. Oh Oh boy. We got a whole lot of foundations up in here. And what else do we have? So they've also sent over some of their Vivid Brights. I have a few of these. I don't have all of them. But these are kind of like, what do they describe them as? Cream colors. So they're just kind of like gel liners. That's kind of the best way I would describe them. But these are like super, super pigmented. I've then got Shimmer Down Pigments. Is this like, are these like repackaged? Because these look the same as their other pigments. But I swear they were just called pigments. So they've sent over 3 different shades of those. But yeah, I'm gonna need to double check if I have these. Maybe they're new, maybe they're repackaged. Let me know if you know. So then I'm guessing what we have under here is just a crap ton of foundations. Wait, what is that one there? What are you? This is the Total Control Drop Primer. Another new product I haven't tried. So I'm guessing this is like, I'm literally just like ripping into it like an overly excited child. Oh, it's sticky. Sticky in a good way, though. If you don't know, I like sticky primers because it means that your foundation just sticks to your face. Okay, I didn't actually know that they'd come out with that. Gonna give that a go with the foundation. So, yeah, then they've also obviously sent over, like, a million different shades of foundation. Like, can we just appreciate for a second? I think they've done them in, like, colour order. I think there's 24 shades of this. So this is shade number 1. And this is shade number 24. As far as shade ranges go, that's pretty damn good. I've got to give them that. I definitely think I'll be keeping a few darker shades for a little bit of cream contouring or something like that, because I haven't actually tried cream contouring with these. But again, if you catch my drift here, I don't need all these foundations. So you guys, that is everything that Nyx sent over. Nyx, if you're watching, thank you. Like I said earlier, let me know if you guys have any idea what I could be doing for the Animal Kingdom Glam Round. Let me know in the comment section down below. Keep your eyes peeled for the entry video. I know I literally just said it, but again, thank you so much to Nyx for sending over all of this amazing makeup. You honestly did not have to do that. And thank you for allowing me to be in the final for a 2nd year running. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please do give it a big thumbs up because I really appreciate that. And also subscribe if you do want to see more of me because I upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that's it from me. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye.